Hey everybody, so I decided to do one more video with this wavy hair, and I don't know if you remember when I did that video where if you were gonna be late to work and you need to hurry up and have a cute style, you do the ponytails down the center of your head. It's almost like back in the day, pull this out, when we did the banana clip, right? Pull this ponytail up, pull this up. So this will give us the mohawk style. And of course, yes, we will be doing back combing. Hello! Of course we will. Alright. So right now I have 3 ponytails. You could do 5. 5 is super cute. We'll just keep it at 4. The more you do, the longer your little pony hawk will look. So that's what we got. And of course, we like to move it. Back comb. When you back comb, it'll fill it all in and you won't see the separation. From all the different ponytails that you have in. Alright, this wavy hair is the business. I like to bring this up taller. I am going to take this front part and just wrap it around this ponytail so we don't see it. I just put 2 bobby pins in there so it looks like I have a little hair ponytail. Get that Shaka Khan going. And you know, we say it all together. Freeze and shine. Get a little more back combing on this side. And that's it. You're in a rush. Throw your hair up. Do I look like 2 man enter, 1 man leave, right? That's what I want to look like. We don't need another hero. I'll Thunderdome this shit all day, okay? I'm just gonna take some little bobby pins and I'll just pull some of the hair up and pin it so that it gives it a little more fuller look back there, because I need it full and big. That's what we're all about today, ladies and gentlemen. Filling the hair up, big waves, Tina Turner style. That's where we're going today. Use that wavy hair, ladies. Wear it, do it, anything. Hella styles with wavy hair. That's this weekend's motto, okay? I hope you liked the video. Press like, subscribe, share, tell your friends. We're almost through February, a little bit, a couple more weeks to go, and we will be in March, okay? Let's do this. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.